Good morning, students. Today we are going to start a new lesson, that is kinds of sentences. So before we start, let us remind what is a sentence. A sentence is a group of words which makes a complete sense. You have read this earlier. So, see, in our day-to-day life, we used to communicate with others, and when we communicate with others, we used to say different types of things, different types of sentences. We express our feelings. Suppose we are giving some orders, we are requesting something to others, then we are stating our feelings or saying something, then we express our sorrows, different types of things we are saying to others. So those sentences which we regularly use, those are divided into four kinds. So what are they? There are four kinds of sentences. There are four kinds of sentences. Now number one is declarative sentence. Okay. The number two is interrogative sentence. Interrogative sentence. Then number three is imperative. Imperative sentence. And number four is exclamatory. Exclamatory sentence. Okay. Now there are four kinds of sentences. First one is declarative, second is interrogative, third is imperative, and the fourth one is exclamatory sentence. Now what is a declarative sentence? What is a declarative sentence? Declarative sentences are those which state something, which gives a statement or states some fact. Suppose, example, the sun rises in the east. It is a fact. The sun rises in the east. It is a fact. So, it is a declarative sentence. Again, you see, Mr. Shah teaches us mathematics. Okay, this is a statement. So this type of sentences are called declarative sentence, and always remember, declarative sentences ends with a full stop. Then interrogative sentence. What are interrogative sentences? Interrogative sentences are those which asks some questions. For example, a simple thing, simple sentence is, what is your name? And interrogative sentences always ends with a question mark. What is your name? It's a question. Where do you live? Question mark. These are interrogative sentences which ask someone something. Then comes the imperative sentence. What are imperative sentences? Imperative sentences are those which gives some order or command or places some request. Suppose, please give me your book. Sit down or close the door. These are order. Sit down, close the door. Like that, these sentences are giving some orders or commands. And please give me your book. This is a request. And always remember, imperative sentences ends with a full stop. Last one, exclamatory sentence. Exclamatory sentences are those which expresses sudden feeling, surprise, hatred, anger. These are exclamatory sentences. For example, wow, what a beautiful sight. Okay? Then, how lovely the girl looks. See, exclamatory sentences has a exclamation mark. Exclamatory sentences always has a exclamation mark. Wow, what a beautiful sight. A sudden expression. And how lovely the girl looks. Okay. So, what we have learned, that there are 4 kinds of sentences: declarative, interrogative, imperative and exclamatory. Hope you have understood. Thank you.